We are on day 5 of our 3-week trip to Vietnam. We spent 2 incredible days in Ha Long Bay, both by cruise and by land. We arrived at Ninh Bình yesterday and fell in love with the beautiful countryside. Our morning began with an amazing hike up to Hang Mua Peak, where we were rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Giang An and the surrounding areas of Ninh Bình. We just took a relaxing break for lunch before heading over to the Giang An boat tour complex. There are 3 different routes listed, and we had trouble deciding between the 3. Lucky for us, we speak Vietnamese, and our tour guide was able to provide us with a really cool recommendation. Come wander with us as we show you beautiful Ninh Bình and the route we took on the Giang An boat tour.
Alright, we made it.
So we chose Route 1, but our boat tour guide doesn't recommend that. It's more for like peace, for people who want to do prayers and stuff, and you go on that route because it's like a peaceful praying to cleanse your soul and stuff like that.
Our souls don't need to be cleansed.
No, we're good. So he recommends Route 3 that cuts into Route 2. It's a lot more scenic. There's like a King Kong Island, and then there's something else. I forgot.
King Kong?
Yeah.
Oh.
Rao Kong.
Yeah. And
so
it's
yeah.
gonna take about 3 hours, right?
So it takes 3 hours to go the whole round trip, and it's 14 kilometers total.
Wow.
So that's a lot of work for him.
Yeah, so it's about
And
1:30 p.m. right now, I think. And so we'll see.
1:52 p.m. right
Oh my
now.
gosh, 1:52. Alright, so we'll see what time we get back
So we'll
here.
be back at like 5.
places we could go to. Daddy, look.
Còn nếu mà đi về du về tối thì lại xuống phố cổ là có thể ta đi du thuyền ở ban đêm.
Oh.
Cũng như kiểu trong Huế, chỗ ngay
He
chỗ
said
khách sạn Hoa
there's
Lư.
old quarters here where you can do a night boat ride.
Whoa,
Yeah,
that's
phố
cool.
cổ ban đêm.
Alright,
Gần đây không?
we have more to do today.
Ngay chỗ-
They call this Nuôi Ngọc, which means Pearl Mountain.
Ngày trước cái đền gì chứ? Đền Trinh.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh.
Go grab it. Oh my goodness, they're wild. They're so big.
My favorite.
Oh, they're opening their mouths. They think you're gonna feed them. Hang đột
Wow.
1.000 mét.
Okay, so
Dài
Elijah,
1.000
please
mét.
be very careful. Don't stand up, okay? You
Thấp,
can
thiệt
easily
là
touch
thấp
this.
luôn
You
đấy.
gotta be careful. Cẩn thận nha, đừng có đứng nhảy á.
Oh, duck.
Duck,
Duck. Bỏ cái đầu xuống. Quack.
Sure.
Oh, this is so cool. Emmy says, where's the duck?
Duck means put your head down. Wow.
Oh, head down.
This is so crazy.
There are a bunch of crystals.
Sorry. Well, we were wondering which cave to go to, and
We're glad we chose
we're
this
glad we
one.
chose this one.
Why?
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's from the ground.
What?
So this water is like spring
It's
water.
like spring water. Yeah, you can
You can
drink
drink it.
It's like mineral
Whoa,
water.
look at
Whoa, what
this.
is this? Natural like
Water
ahead.
drip.
Water drip.
Oh, lots of drip in this tunnel. Oh,
Oh, we're almost out. I see light. Oh, look at Richie's head and how close the ceiling is.
How many cool dogs?
Oh, yeah. Emmy doesn't need to duck though. Whoa!
wow.
Good
Wow,
job,
look at that.
Baktai.
There's a pricey fish.
Wow.
Wow.
Opening up. Oh, cả một đống ánh
So
sáng.
this is the
Wow, look at that. Look at that shimmer up top.
Ooh.
Wow.
Wow.
We just made it through one of the longest caves here, the Giang An, like 1 kilometer
Dot
cave?
cave.
1 kilometer dot
Yeah,
cave.
Dot cave. Wow, that was amazing.
Đến Vinh thì cháu ạ.
hang đây hả chú? Hang Vân, hang Vân. 400 mét gọi là hang Vân. Van Cave. It's Auntie Van's cave.
This one's called Hang Van, and it's a 400-meter cave
Or Van Cave.
that goes through one mountain. But apparently the last one we went to, the 1,000-meter one, which one is it?
Hang Dot.
Hang Dot?
Hang Dot.
Hang Dot.
It's a dot cave.
Oh yeah, that one apparently goes through 2 mountains, so it's a really long cave.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get to stop number 2, and he's gonna meet us on the other side.
Oh, 355.
He told us to remember our little boat number.
Number 2 is the jungle.
Ba Nam Nam is 355.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chu. Alright guys, we made it to Turtle Rock. Didn't recognize it until our boat person told us about it. Yeah, this one looks pretty gigantic too. This is entrance of Route 2.
It's short but wide.
Yeah, short but wide, mama. Not in my video, please.
Oh, nothing. It's a grown-up joke.
Duck, duck. Oh my gosh. Crash collision.
The chips are like spicy to me, but
Wow, that's beautiful.
You to go.
Wow.
Oh, do you see the bird behind it?
Where's the bird? Oh, I
Do
see.
you see
The
bird,
wings, like the bird is going up into the sky.
That's right. You see the wings?
Wow.
That giant rock is the head and the 2 wings. are the
That's
2
crazy. We made it to the ancient Vietnamese village.
okay.
This is just how people used to live. They used to make a house like that. Oh, pretty big house.
What about here? Let's put the flowers here.
So the ancient village, the ancient Vietnamese village was created for the King Kong movie. So the government, the UNESCO, they said that since it's not naturally occurring, or it was made up, so then they didn't confirm it as one of the destination for the map, or name it that. So now they just named it the ancient Vietnamese village.
Okay.
So it has no historical accuracy?
Nope.
Someone's mouth is dirty.
And someone is sleepy.
I know, look at those eyes. It took almost 3 hours.
We started at 2.
We started at 1:50.
2.5 hours.
It's pretty close. Alright, we just finished our Chang'an boat tour. It was great. It was a lot better than we thought it would be.
It was amazing.
Really big, lots of variety in scenery compared to the one at Halong.
Green mountains.
Much better, much bigger. So highly recommend this one.
Yep, you get to take a few stops to walk around and explore the area. And yeah, super cool.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try to make it to the pagoda now.
All right, bye.
After the boat tour, we rushed out to the pagoda, but we were sad to find out that it was closed. We were still able to take some of these amazing shots of the Bai Ding Pagoda at nighttime. If you've made it this far, please consider giving us a like. Also, subscribe and stay tuned to see if we made it to the Bai Ding Pagoda the next day.